Hello, welcome to the We're Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a post to share on Facebook app step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Here you can see your Facebook homepage. To make a post for Facebook, tap on the What's on Your Mind section. By clicking on one of the options that appear, you can share a photo or video from your gallery, tag a friend, state a location, or take a photo with your phone's camera and share it. And you can write your any opinion or copied link by tapping on What's on Your Mind field. Tap on the option marked in red to decide who can see your post. Tap on Public if you want your post to be seen by everyone, or Friends if you want it to be seen by only your friends. Or if you don't want your post to be seen by some of your friends, tap on Friends Accept. To complete the sharing process, tap on Post button you see in the upper right. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.